Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase candle size in TradingView. When you open a chart in TradingView, you'll see time labels running along the bottom and price labels running up the right side. These two axes control how your candles look on the screen. If the candles feel too thin or too short to read comfortably, the solution is to zoom in using the axes themselves. This allows the candles to get larger without changing your time frame or the underlying data, giving you a more detailed and comfortable view of the market. Let's start with making candles wider. Move your cursor to the time labels at the bottom of the chart, the area that shows dates and times. Click and hold directly on that time axis, then drag to the left. As you drag left, you're zooming in horizontally. You'll notice the spacing between candles expands, and each candle's body becomes wider and more visible. This is great when you need a closer look at the price action between each candlestick. Go slowly and watch the timeline to ensure you stop when the width feels right for your analysis. Because you're grabbing the axis, not the chart area, the candles stay perfectly aligned with the grid and the timescale. You're simply increasing their visual width for better readability, which helps you see the details more clearly without the distraction of cluttered candles. Now, let's make the candles taller. Move your cursor to the price labels on the right side of the chart. Click and hold on that price axis, then drag upward. This zooms in vertically by stretching the price scale. As you drag up, you'll notice the highs and lows of each candle separate more, making the wicks stand out clearly. This allows you to spot small price movements more easily, which is ideal when you're analyzing fine details like wick rejections, tight consolidations, or exact swing highs and lows. Again, you're not altering the data, just the scale, so your analysis remains accurate, but with more granularity. Zooming in vertically can be especially useful when you want to observe smaller price fluctuations or examine specific chart patterns in more detail. What you're doing in both moves is straightforward. You're zooming in to increase candle size while keeping everything correctly aligned to the chart. The horizontal drag on the time labels increases candle width, and the upward drag on the price labels increases candle height. If you need a bit more, repeat the same motions until the candles are as large as you like. It's all about finding the right balance where you can comfortably read the bodies, wicks, and key levels without straining your eyes. The goal is to make your chart more readable, not just bigger, so you can enhance your analysis and make more informed decisions. A quick tip for precision: make sure you're grabbing the axes themselves, not the main chart area. Grabbing the axes ensures you change scale rather than accidentally shifting the chart position. If you accidentally shift the chart, your analysis can become misaligned. But by adjusting the axes, you're ensuring that everything stays aligned while only changing the visual scale. Indicators, drawings, and grid lines will scale right along with the candles, so your entire view remains consistent, and you don't lose any context during your analysis. That's all there is to it. With a simple horizontal zoom from the time labels and a vertical zoom from the price labels, your TradingView candles will be larger, clearer, and easier to analyze. Whether you're studying price action, pattern formations, or key support and resistance levels, these simple zoom adjustments can make a huge difference in your ability to analyze the market. Happy trading!